Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to follow somebody on a Likee app. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So you can see on my screen that I'm already logged into my Likee account. This is my particular homepage right over here. So to simply follow anyone, you can tap on Explore on the very bottom, just next to Home on the left part. You can see that you do have an option of simply tapping on search and then searching for the profile that you want to follow. Simply just scroll down and you do have suggestions for you. So if you want to follow anyone from the suggestion, just tap on this follow option just next to their name. So I'm going to tap on this follow option on the very right part next to this, so you can see that it has been turned into the gray tick mark. That means I'm following this person right now. So simply, even I can go and search for any of the persons that I want to follow. I'm going to select randomly one of the celebrity and tap on her profile. Now I can go and tap on this follow option right next to her profile picture. So you can see that I have followed successfully to her. So this is how you do it. This is how you follow people on Likee app. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.